Did you know that having a solid morning routine can boost your productivity by up to 40%? That's right. Starting your day off on the right foot is not just about ticking tasks off your to-do list. It's about setting the tone for your entire day, both mentally and emotionally. The way you spend the first moments of your morning can shape the mindset and energy you carry with you, influencing your productivity, mood, and interactions throughout the day. Now, imagine waking up not to the sound of a blaring alarm, but to a quiet moment of calm, clarity, and focus. No more rushing around or feeling frazzled as you head out the door. Instead, you start your day feeling centered and at peace. This is the power of a mindful morning routine, and today I'm going to share with you a life-changing Buddhist morning routine that will transform how you approach each day. The beauty of this routine lies in its simplicity. It's not about cramming more into your already busy morning. Rather, it's about being intentional with your time and setting a foundation of mindfulness. The routine includes key elements such as meditation, mindful breathing, and setting intentions for the day. These small but powerful practices allow you to reconnect with yourself and the present moment before the chaos of the day begins. By incorporating these elements, you'll be able to start your mornings with a sense of calm and clarity that stays with you throughout the day. It's not just about getting things done, it's about feeling balanced, focused, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Let's dive into this transformative Buddhist morning routine and explore how it can truly change your life. We've all experienced those chaotic mornings, waking up to the loud sound of an alarm, hitting snooze a few too many times, and then scrambling to get ready, all while feeling like you're already behind. The rush creates a sense of stress and panic before you've even had time to breathe. It's as if the day is already winning, and you haven't had a chance to catch up. By the time you step out the door, your mind is clouded with stress, and you're running on autopilot. It's no wonder that this frantic energy often carries over into the rest of the day, affecting your productivity, your mood, and even how you interact with others. How often do you feel drained before the day has even really begun? The problem isn't just a lack of sleep or hitting snooze one too many times. It's about how we approach the morning itself. Many of us view mornings as something to survive, rather than as an opportunity to set the tone for the entire day. This frantic approach not only sets a negative mood, but it can also leave you feeling exhausted and unbalanced well into the afternoon. But what if there was a way to change all of that? Imagine waking up with a sense of calm and purpose, starting your day with intention rather than stress. A peaceful morning doesn't just happen by chance, it takes mindful planning. That's where the Buddhist morning routine comes in. This practice focuses on creating a calm, balanced start to your day, helping you approach the morning with mindfulness and clarity. With a few intentional changes, you can regain control over your mornings and ultimately your life, turning each day into an opportunity for calm, productivity, and inner peace. So, what exactly is a Buddhist morning routine, and how can it help? This routine is designed to cultivate mindfulness and inner peace from the moment you wake up. The idea is to start your day with calm and purpose, which can transform how you handle everything that comes your way. Let's break down the key elements of this powerful practice. The first step in a Buddhist morning routine is meditation. Meditation is the foundation for creating mental clarity and calm. By spending just 5 to 10 minutes in quiet meditation, you can clear your mind of distractions and make space for peace and focus. This is a time to ground yourself before the busyness of the day begins. Whether you're new to meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this quiet time helps center your thoughts and set a calm tone for the rest of your day. Next, there's mindful breathing. This practice is all about reconnecting with the present moment through deep, intentional breaths. Mindful breathing allows your mind to relax and your body to release any tension. By simply focusing on your breath, you can ease stress and feel more in tune with yourself. Even a few minutes of this practice can make a huge difference in how you approach challenges, as it reminds you to move through the day with greater awareness, patience, and clarity. The third crucial element is setting intentions for your day. Unlike goals, which focus on specific achievements, intentions are about guiding your mindset and energy throughout the day. Take a moment to ask yourself, how do you want to feel today? Do you want to be more patient, kind, focused, or calm? By setting these intentions, you create a roadmap for your actions and thoughts. Intentions help you remain aligned with your values, allowing you to navigate the day's events with purpose and mindfulness. By incorporating these elements into your morning, you can create a foundation of peace and focus that carries into everything you do. Let me share a personal story with you. A few months back, I found myself in a bit of a rut. My mornings were chaotic. I'd hit the snooze button repeatedly, then scramble to get ready, rushing out the door already feeling stressed. It felt like I was constantly playing catch-up, and my mind was always racing, never really present in the moment. This morning frenzy started spilling into the rest of my day, affecting my mood, focus, and overall productivity. I was constantly tense, and the sense of balance I craved seemed completely out of reach. Then one day, I decided to try something new, a Buddhist morning routine. At first, I kept it simple, setting my alarm just 10 minutes earlier to carve out a bit of quiet time. I used those minutes to sit in silence and meditate. It felt strange at first, sitting still while my mind buzzed with thoughts. But after a few days, I began to appreciate the stillness. Gradually, I added mindful breathing into my routine, focusing on each inhale and exhale to ground myself. I also started jotting down my intentions for the day, not just tasks to complete, but how I wanted to feel. I focused on things like patience, calmness, and clarity. The transformation was incredible. Within just a few weeks, I felt a shift in my energy. My mornings became calmer, no longer rushed or frantic. I felt more focused and present throughout the day, and the stress that used to dominate my mornings started to melt away. My productivity improved, but more importantly, I felt balanced and centered. This simple morning routine didn't just change how I started my day. It transformed the flow of my entire day, leaving me with a sense of peace and purpose. Incorporating a Buddhist morning routine into your life can have a profound impact on your day. By embracing practices like meditation, mindful breathing, and setting intentions, you create a peaceful and purposeful start to your mornings. This routine isn't about perfection, it's about progress. It's about starting your day with clarity, focus, and calm, which sets a positive tone for everything that follows. These mindful practices bring a sense of tranquility to your routine, making it easier to handle whatever challenges the day throws at you. The best part? This routine is simple, adaptable, and accessible to everyone. Whether you have 10 minutes or an hour, you can tailor this practice to fit your lifestyle. The key is consistency. By committing to this morning ritual, you can unlock a more mindful, balanced, and productive day. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on morning routines? Have you tried something similar before? Or are you inspired to give this Buddhist morning routine a try? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're curious about how to end your day in a more balanced way, be sure to check out my video on evening routines. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and may you have a peaceful, mindful day ahead.